Hello again, fellow beach bum traders. Thank you for watching our next video in our series on how to find the best dividend paying stocks. In this series of videos, we will show you various techniques, tips, lessons learned, etc. on how to find the best dividend paying stocks. So if you want to invest, trade dividend paying stocks, again, we'll show you a variety of things that we have learned on how to find the best dividend paying stocks as another option for your investing and trading. If just for deploying your cash while you're waiting for other trading opportunities to evolve, is another way to make money trading and hopefully help you succeed in your trading career. So we hope you will subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and select all notifications so that you'll be automatically notified when we release further videos in this series on how to find the best dividend paying stocks, as well as other videos to help you make money trading, help you succeed in your trading career. So let's get started with this video on how to find the best dividend paying stocks. Firstly, Easy Mike mentioned a couple in yesterday's live chat that I want to go over. One is BWTG and then CEFS. CEFS, I believe, is that closed-end fund dividend payer. So we'll take a look at those first. So here's BWTG. Actually, let's look at CEFS first, which is this SABA closed-end fund. You can access, so we can see the risk-reward profile here in our Google Sheet. Pays a 14-cent monthly dividend. So you see the risk-reward. Right now it's a little bit high, so it's at 1990. 52-week high is 2067. So it's a risk-reward profile for 52 weeks, only about 1.25. Bottom to top of 1.9, almost 2. You see its performance has been positive. So we can look at the profile in FinViz. So it's SABA closed-end fund. So again, we can see it's pretty high. Got rejected off that upper trend line, dipped down to its support line. So you can see it pays about 14 cents a month or so. You can look at the profile. So provide capital appreciation, dividend income, actively managed ETF. Closed-end funds. So it's a ETF comprised of closed-end funds. Typically, you have to invest in an individual closed-end fund. And again, sometimes they close it. So you can see what the composition is. So mostly miscellaneous, which is probably those closed-end funds, 44% other, 6% cash, which because of that, I also put the link to their profile in the ETF database here in our ad sheet in the notes. So we can also look at their profile in the ETF database real quickly. So you see it doesn't really have a lot of information here right now. But we can see it's active. It doesn't have an index. It's closed-end funds. You can see the expense ratio about 6%. Proprietary weighting scheme. If we try to look at their holdings, so we can see it's got a number of other trusts, etc. So again, you can go through their holdings in the profile in the ETF database and see the actual funds that they're invested in and their percent allocation. So it's pretty high allocation into this BlackRock ESG Capital Term Trust. So again, another way you can actually see what they're invested in. And again, that might be something that you might be interested in. Net yield's pretty good, 17.7%. So again, not a lot of upside. It's pretty close to its 52-week high. So possibly, it might be better to wait till it gets a little bit cheaper. But again, it's pretty good performance for the year, 9%. Nominal yield 9%, and net yield of almost 17 point, almost 18%. So, and Easy Mike's pointing out it's it's expensive, but the closed end is key. So again, if you have further comments you'd like to make on that, we'd love to hear it, Easy Mike. So the other one he mentioned yesterday, but it was BWTG. This is kind of a new one. Brendan Wood Top Gun ETF. So you can see the risk reward profile of it. Again, this is relatively new. It's pretty high as well, pretty close to its 52-week high. If we look at its profile in FinViz, so again, relatively new. We don't have a lot of history. We only have one dividend payment, which was 5 cents in December. Not really sure. Looks somewhat illiquid, choppy. It's pretty high right now. You can look at what its profile says. Seeks to provide growth consistent with preservation of capital. Publicly listed equities, model portfolio. Approximately 1,400 companies composing the Brendan Wood shareholder conviction universe. Liquid, large, and mid-cap companies trade on a national exchange, etc. So the profile, you see it's pretty distributed across sectors, a lot of technology, commercial services, finance, retail. So pretty broad diversification across those segments. You see its top holding is NVIDIA, ASML, Progressive, CrowdStrike, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft. So it's a pretty heavy still in the Mag 7. So that probably attributes for it being as high as it is right now. I did also put the link to I looked at them in the ETF database, and there's essentially no information because it's too new. So again, we've got the risk reward profile. Again, we don't have a lot of performance. It has been positive this year, 9%. So it's showing a 9% net yield. Again, it's pretty high. So the adjusted yield's pretty low, only 4%. And again, we only have, one dividend payment. So I'm not really sure if they're going to do quarterly or on a different schedule. And so far, it doesn't look like it's going to be monthly. So again, I hope that all helps. Again, if Easy Mike or anyone else has additional comments or experience with either BWTG or CEFS, please put them in the comments to this video or in our Discord. Again, let us know if you think this is something that we should possibly add to our primary dividend payers Google Sheet. Or again, we can watch, particularly as I'd like to see more history on BWTG, but we can watch that in the ad sheet and our dividend payers as well. So I hope that all helps. Good morning, Sydney Osborne. Thank you for joining us. Hope you're doing well. Okay, the second set of additions to our dividend payers Google Sheet that I want to go over were ones that were part of a video posted by Joseph Hogue. So thank you to Joseph Hogue for pointing out these potential additional dividend payers to us. So the ones that we didn't already have in our dividend payers list that I added and we'll quickly go over, take a look at, is SLRC, SLR Investment Corp. Most of these are BDCs, which are business development corporations, with the exception of ARLP, which is a resource and energy partners LP. So we'll take a look at each of those. PSFL PFLT, which is Pennant Park Floating Rate Capital. And we've got two of these Pennant Parks, so there's PFLT and PNNT. They have slightly different approaches to their investments. And then we also have Goldman Sachs BDC, which is GSBD. So again, I've added each of those to our dividend payers Google Sheet. So you can see each of those, the risk reward profiles, their current net yield, adjusted yield, etc. So several of these look pretty interesting in terms of their potential net yield, pretty high performance. So this Pennant, the PNNT, had a performance over the past year of almost 35%. Goldman Sachs about 9%. So again, some of the yields on these look pretty attractive. You see the risk reward profiles, pretty balanced. These again seem pretty stable. So you can see the different monthly or quarterly dividend payment schedules, how much they pay, etc. So we've got a variety of performance, variety of dividend payment information. So let me quickly flip through those in the FinViz profiles. So first is SLR Investment Corp. So you see it recently dipped a bit. You see the dividend payment information, etc. You can go to their profile and see it's a BDC, secured debts, first lien unitranche, and second lien subordinate debt, etc. So part of your evaluation of these various BDCs, I would recommend looking at what type of debt, what type of companies are they investing in. But again, since capital is scarce from banks at high interest rates, several of these BDCs, they're lending, they're probably doing pretty well. You want to make sure that the companies they're investing in, they're not high risk, not zombie companies, etc., that they're going to eventually be able to pay back those debts. So look at a couple of the Pennant Parks. So here's the floating rate capital one. Again, I'd recommend comparing the definitions of these to see if that's something that's, again, it's BDC, secondary direct debt, equity, loan investments through floating rate loans, small cap, middle cap. So again, I'd recommend evaluating, the details of these in addition to their risk reward profiles, and see which ones fit your risk tolerance as well as your dividend income needs. Pennant Park, PNNT, private equity fund, direct and mezzanine investments in middle market. So again, slightly different investment strategy, senior secured loans, mezzanine debt, in buildings, real estate. So again, some risk there in terms of commercial real estate. So if that's something you're concerned about, this might not be a good choice for you. Goldman Sachs, again, very stable. And it's a BDC. Middle market, mezzanine investment, private companies. So these are non-public companies. So again, an opportunity to invest in private companies, kind of like the crazy run we saw in that DXYZ, was it? I think they're also investing in private companies. And the last one, ARLP. Again, this is the only one that's not a BDC. This is a thermal coal energy company. So again, a different type of investment if you're interested in a dividend payer based on, thermal coal. We've seen, sector rotations in and out of coal. So far this year, risk reward or the performance hasn't been very good. But it's showing a net yield of 14.5%, adjusted yield of 15.5%, pays a 70-cent quarterly dividend. So got a risk reward profile about 1.4. You can see all of these are relatively stable, don't have a whole lot of upside in terms of risk reward profile to the upside in the near term. Longer term, top to bottom they do. Right now, this pennant is showing somewhat attractive based on a support level around 6, but 52-week low is 470, so it's still relatively high. So again, thank you to Joseph Hogue for identifying these for us. We're going to look in more detail at these guys, see if any of these warrant moving up to our main dividend payers sheet. So we'll again do a little bit further analysis. Again, they're all relatively high, don't have a lot of upside risk reward profile wise. So I'm going to think about those a little more and see if we should move those to our main sheet. Love to hear your feedback. If any of you have any experience with any of these dividend payers, any recommendations, if you think we should put these in our main dividend payer sheet, love to hear from you. Please put them in the comments below, in our Discord, etc. Let us know what you think of these additional dividend payers, and if you think we should add those to our systems, add them to our main dividend payer sheet. Okay, thank you again for watching this video in our series on how to find the best dividend paying stocks. We hope that you found this information helpful and will help you find the best dividend paying stocks for your investing, for your trading, to deploy your cash, earn dividends while you potentially wait for additional opportunities to make money trading. And we hope this will all help you make money trading and succeed in your trading career. Please let us know in the comments below, in our free Discord, in our Facebook group, directly via social media, all of which you should be able to find links to in the description box below. Please let us know how else we may help you find the best dividend paying stocks, help you invest, help you make money trading, help you succeed in your trading career. We hope you will subscribe to our BeachBum Trading channel, and please hit the bell icon and select all notifications so you'll be automatically notified when we release further videos in this series on how to find the best dividend paying stocks, as well as other videos to help you make money trading, help you succeed in your trading career. So again, we hope this all helps. Good luck and have a great trading day. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the beach bum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow beach bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.